Hi, we're going to add a Voki character to our eWindow Classroom blog. No particular reason other than it's a lot of fun and the kids really enjoy playing around with it. Okay, so I'll just show you one that's on my site at the moment. I've got a little chipmunk here. He's pretty tame compared to a lot of the other ones.
Welcome to the water spot. This is a blog of the learning and thinking that happens in our classroom. Don't forget to leave a comment.
So, yeah, he talks and says hello, and the kids, he follows the mouse around as well, which the kids think is pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool actually, it's quite clever. Okay, so, let's get started. First thing you need to do is make sure you've got your eWindow blog open and just sign into your dashboard. This is going to go into your sidebar, so it's going to be a widget that you add. If you want some more information about widgets, just watch my previous YouTube clip on how to add a cluster map. Now, we've got Voki Home opened. You don't actually need to join up to Voki to make your character, which is really good. I can't keep track of all my passwords, so one less is better. At the top here it says create, and here it goes, the Voki create. And I have to apologise now if it's a bit slow. My internet's not fantastic. Now as you can see, here's one already started for you, this strange little circle thing. So we're going to customise it.
Please type your message in the text box and let me say it.
This lady is wonderful. She will constantly interrupt me. Now you can see there's lots of different things you can be. There's randoms here. There's a wizard, samurai guy, a hot dog, a sock puppet, all sorts of weird things. There are famous people. But I'm going to pick not a Digimon, an animal. Sorry, it's getting there. There's lots of things you can choose from. And I'm going to go with, where is he? The shark. I like the shark. Okay, he's looking pretty mean. He's going to follow my cursor around. You can change some of them, you can change different aspects of him. Obviously the shark's going to have the same mouth as always. You can add bling if you have a certain kind of character, but we're just going to keep the shark. It's going to look a bit silly with a shark floating in a soccer field, so you can change the backgrounds. Obviously we want outdoors, and I might have him in front of, I think that's snow actually, I thought it was sea, but it's snow. Well, we don't want him to fight with here we go, don't want to have him in there with the poor old dolphin. Okay, so we've got him in some water. And you can also change the player. This is the player around here, so we need a sharky kind of player. I guess a blue one will do. Oh, he kind of matches. Maybe a black one, because he's tough. Okay. Now there are 4 different ways you can record on Voki. You can ring up and make a phone call. You can text, put the text in here and the computer will speak. You can record your own voice, or you can upload an audio file from your own computer. But today we're going to use the text-to-speech. That's the easiest one to do, especially if you don't have a microphone or whatever. So we will say welcome to my site. Watch out my butt. Okay, we'll just play and listen to him.
Welcome to my site. Watch out. I bite.
Well, he doesn't sound very scary, does he? So we'll change him. We'll find Alan the Australian. I think he sounds scary.
Welcome to my site. Watch out. I bite.
Okay, so done. All done. He's moving, he's talking. You can tweak the colours, making the mouth bigger or smaller. So if you'd like to fiddle around with the colours and things, it's all there. Otherwise, I'm quite happy with it, so I'm going to push the publish button. We'll call him Alan the Shark. Push save. I'm uploading at the moment, so it's a little bit slow. Now this part here, they're just going to ask you if you would like to join up and be a member at Voki. You don't need to. You don't. You can if you want to, but you don't need to. So just push the orange X, and it'll get rid of it. And there is our Voki, Alan the Shark finished. You can change the size, but medium is the best size for in your sidebar. You need to use this top script, this top code here. So just copy it and go back to our Edublog. We're going to add a widget, so not a post, a widget. So we look under Appearance. If it's hiding, just click the little down arrow and it will reveal our hidden menu. I'm going to push Widgets. Right, here we are at our Widgets menu. As you can see, down this is the sidebar. And these are the things we have in our sidebar at the moment. And these are the different things we can add to our sidebar. Now, to put our Voki in, we need to put in a text box. So, we'll drag a text box over, and it automatically opens into this text box. And we're going to paste in the code, and we need to save it. Thinking. There, it's saved. We'll close the box, because I want my Voki character to be right at the top of my sidebar, so everyone will see him when they click onto our site. So thinking, once that stops rotating, it should all be saved. So let's go and check it out. Here is our site, and we'll just wait. There is our cluster map from previously, and we can see the Voki is coming up. Now this doesn't usually happen. This is because I have a very stink internet connection and I am uploading at the moment. So there's our Voki, Alan the Shark. Let's say hello.
Welcome to my site. Watch out. I bite.
Ha, done.